Good day, everyone. So for today, we're going to discuss about the preparation of an income statement. So dito ang scenario natin, a group of students make and sell a suite in three different line of product after a 12-day selling, and they are now ready to prepare the financial reports to see if they obtain income. So dito meron na tayong na-prepared na income statement. So sa heading, importante yung pangalan ng store, income statement, and period covering December 1 to 12. So since meron silang three line of products, i-represent natin siya dito. So ito yung bawat bahagi ng income statement, nilagyan ko lang siya ng kulay so we could identify each section and functions of the income statement. So itong sales, ito yung pinakabenta. Nakalagay dito bawat presyo ng bawat product at kung magkano yung nabenta nila. Then ipagmumultiply lang siya bawat isa, and a total they have the 7,750. The second part is the cost of sales. Cost of sales is simply the puhunan. So bawat product ipapakita rin natin, but this time yung mismong puhunan sa bawat product. And the same that we are going to present here kung ilan yung nabenta. Okay? So, a total of 5,524. Ipagmaminus natin yung ating benta sa ating puhunan, we got 2,226. At ang tawag dyan ay gross income. Gross income kasi meron pa tayong kailangang ibawas. The operating expenses. So, yung operating expenses natin is divided into two. We have the administrative and the selling. Example ng administrative, salary. Yan, sweldo sa tao. The overhead, yan yung 30%. So, sa previous video, meron tayong overhead. Yung 70% ay part ng costing or presyo ng product. Pero the other 30%, the 612, ay naka-charge as expenses. So, dito siya magre-reflect sa ating expenses. Then, for the selling, gumamit sila ng flyers. So, it cost them about 40 pesos. Then, they have the indirect cost selling, 11.50 and 10.30. So, sa ating previous video, meron tayong computations ng direct and indirect materials. So, ito na yung indirect cost selling, which is 11.50 and 10.30. So, a total of 21.80. Lahat ito, ipag-total mo, the admin and the selling, yan yung pinaka-operating expenses, we got 1,073. So, then their net income is 1,152. Minus natin tong expenses dito sa gross income at ito na yung natira, neto. So, according here sa ating problem, hindi lang siya na-mention, no? Merong 7 students. So, anong gagawin doon? Okay, kung wala naman silang exact usapan sa hatian, then this could be divided equally. So, 1,152.60 divided by 7 partners or 7 members, they will receive 164.66. So, dito, maganda yung kanilang income statement kasi nagkaroon sila ng income. Okay? I hope all is clear and thank you for listening.